Hey everyone, C. Keith Nitro back. I just finished my Jato.28 drag car build. Got it all together. Took some planning. I got the chassis plate from RLChobbies. It's a nice piece. It's originally made for a small block, but I fit the JL.28Max in there on a Savage mount. Had to modify the mount a bit, nothing major. RLC supplied the wheelie bar with the kit. Basically it's stock Jato trans diffs, so we'll see how the gears hold up. Went with Savix middle gear servos for throttle and steering. Incorporated a T-Max receiver box. It was just easy, had one. Put the on-off switch in there. There's my my charging outlet. I tried to put all the weight forward as I could to try to balance it out, like the battery, fuel tank and whatnot. It weighs 5 pounds 4 ounces dry. ERCM pipe on there. It's definitely going to be fast. Basher Steve is also building one. We're going to use the same chassis, same engine, but everything else is free game. So I want to get this thing broke in and get some video of it. Get some speed passes and some 132 foot passes. So yeah, stay tuned for that.